Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our async IO module. So we're going to really kind of dig into async and await keywords. So alright, let's just take a look at this. So we know how to do this. Key async. So alright, here we are. And has a lot to do with concurrent programming, and the structures changed a little bit from the way that I learned it, because we were going to tie this into another form, but it is absolutely fine because it changed in Python 3.7. So now async is a keyword. Actually, let's just pull up keywords now. So there we are. And now async is there and await. But again, asynchronous programming is for concurrent coroutines and subprocesses, and in lay terms, keep processing, waiting on something else to happen, and then executing and having it be seamless. Like little sections of web pages where you can have part of them come up and not be dependent on the other information, and then load it up behind it. That is an outstanding use. Talking to a network, waiting on signals from a Raspberry Pi or something along like this. So let's just go ahead and we can read that, and then also then await. Await. There we go. And this is the structure. We're just going to pull it just from here. So we bring in the module, and whatever definition you're going to be doing, that is you put async in front of the function, then the process, then await, and sleep. It is very, very cool. So alright, let's just go ahead and look at it. Import async IO async def main. Let's see, and then we're just going to do the old famous print hello world, but with a delay. So wait async IO dot sleep, and guess what that does? Pauses, waits, and then world. Now this can be a little weird, so then we go async IO dot run. What do you want to run? I want you to run main. So there we are. Hello world, or hello 5 seconds world. Boom. There we go. This is the building blocks that we'll be moving upon, but super powerful, super awesome. That's why it's so important of what we're going to be building, that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. And please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.